Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike's got just a little under 5,300 miles and it is in excellent condition. It has been set down once on the left side, which is pretty minimal, but I'll show it to you as we go around. And this is not a new style of R6 without a windscreen. This bike will be getting a new windscreen on it. It had a bunch of scratches and some stickers on the old one, so we just decided we're going to put a new one on it instead of try to peel everything off. This bike will be getting a new set of tires, both front and rear. It comes with adjustable levers, tank pad, M4 shorty pipe. It also has a fender eliminator with an integrated tail. We're also going to be putting a new back tire on this bike, as you can see. So here's our one little scuffing here on the engine cover. And that's all there is on it. So again, adjustable levers. Just a really nice clean R6. Show you those miles. 5279 is what's on it. This R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.